So let's make the form actually do something. A little tiny something. So we'll write a handle submit. First thing we'll do in there, of course, is event.prevent default. We're used to that. Don't forget to make that the actual event handler here by adding the onSubmit prop to form. So form onSubmit equals this.handleSubmit. And how about we make that change the URL to /GitHub/ the username. Like that. Just dang it. Whatever. I keep hitting escape. Like that. How about that? So how would we do that? Well, in our GitHub component, we have the props history, location, and match. Because we got there with React Router, and it always puts those props there. At least it does when you give it the component prop and just pass the component into your route. So now I have history, location, and match. In history, we learned is this object that controls our browser's history. We can go back, we can go forward, and we can push new URLs on there using push. Sometimes we browse to a new URL by adding a link component and specifying the path it should go to. Sometimes we can do it by using this history object when we want it to happen because they did something other than actually click a link. And that's the case here. We want it to go to a new page because they submitted a form, not because they clicked a link. So we can't use a link. We'll use the history API. So inside our handle submit, how about we say this.props.history, because it's there, we confirmed, .push, and then we just push the new path on there. And I want to go to /GitHub/ the username that I typed in. And what's the username that I typed in? Yep. So we're using a template literal here. This.state.username. Let's see what happens. Here's my form. Type in dstruce and submit. And my URL changed. Now it's GitHub dstruce. Type in dpalaz. That's her. And I'm at GitHub dpalaz. Type in Yabba31. And now I'm at GitHub /Yabba31. Cool. Now nothing happens when our route changes, but by golly, our route changes. And that's a step in the right direction. So what if we added a route for that?